Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devleena and in today's video I have something really exciting for you guys. So this lockdown has been definitely very hard for us, and in this particular lockdown I think many of you will also relate that we have kind of neglected our skin. We have not really taken care of our skin that much as we used to do previously because we were going out, and actually I am pretty guilty of that as well. So in this particular lockdown I discovered this particular box, which is the EMM box. So it is the E Mega Mart box, and this is a box which is filled with skincare for your whole daily regime. So basically they send you products which completes your whole skincare routine. This one actually stood out to me. It was really exciting and I wanted to go ahead and try this one. So today I will be reviewing all of the products that are there in this particular box, and also will be sharing my skincare routine using all of these products. So this comes in a very beautiful black sturdy box like this, and all of the products are inside the box. On the top it is written EMM, and when you open up the box, here are all of the products that you can see. Now as you can see that the box has been beautifully decorated with all of these small little thermocol balls like this, which is actually really cute. I absolutely like when they do this, and also all of the products that have come has been very secured. There's no thermocol or bubble wrap as such, but I have received all of these products in perfect condition, which is a great thing. Another thing is that this one has 5 products inside this skincare routine, and all of the 5 products come with a card of its own mentioning the use of it, the benefits of it, and any of the other information that you require to know about the product comes in these cards like this. So now I will be showing my skincare routine using all of these products. So the first step of my skincare routine is of course a face wash, and I will be using the Ethiglow face wash. Now this face wash comes in 2 quantity, a 70 ml quantity and a 200 ml quantity. I do have the 70 ml quantity and this one retails for 250 rupees. Now the claims of the face wash says that it is skin whitening, it deep cleanses, and it is like a facial foam. Now I do not believe in the term called skin whitening. I do not think that skin can be lightened or whitened or anything like that. What I believe is that this one helps in removing the tan from your skin, and this one helps in removing or reducing any kind of dark spots or dark patches on your skin. Now coming to the review of the face wash, I really like the face wash. This face wash is very moisturizing. It lathers really well on the skin. It smells amazing, and it gives my skin an instant glow, and also help me to lighten the marks that are on my skin. Now as you can see in the application, after I wash this face wash off, my skin feels extremely glowy and extremely dewy, and this face wash doesn't dry out my skin at all. My skin still feels very hydrated and has a very beautiful glow to it. So coming to the second step of my skincare routine, it is this one. So this is the Choco Light Scrub, and this one basically exfoliates, brightens and polishes your skin. This is suitable for both your face and your body. So this is something which is very beautiful, because here it says over here, it's not edible, caution, which is amazing, because when you smell this product you will feel it like it smells exactly like chocolate. And I'm not saying any kind of chemicalist chocolate, but really exactly like chocolate. It smells beautiful, and if you're a chocolate lover like me, you would love this one. So when I use this product, I really like the scrublets in this particular one, because the scrublets are very tiny. It is not harmful on your skin at all, and it just really scrubs your skin very well, and removes any kind of dead skin cells on it. It prevents blemishes and removes tanning, and also gives a very healthy, glowing and just a flawless look to your skin. Also, another thing is that this scrub can be also used on your body, which I have not yet tried, but I do want to try and see for myself how that works. Again, a scrub shouldn't be used more than 2 times a week, so I do not use this scrub on a daily basis. I generally use this only 2 times a week, and that's it. Do not overuse a scrub. You will do harm to your skin much more than good. Now the third step in my skincare is this one. So this is the Hyalo gel. So basically this is the hyaluronic acid gel. This is non-sticky, non-oily, non-comedogenic, and has a beautiful water-like gel texture. So this one has a 1% hyaluronic acid in it, and this is one of the best moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. Now I do come from the oily skin family, and I can't really tolerate heavy creams on my skin, so this is perfect for me because this has a beautiful water like gel texture, and I generally apply this twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. Also gives my skin a very beautiful plump and glowing kind of a look, which I absolutely love. So the fourth step in my range is of course a sunscreen. So this is the Z Block sunscreen, and this is the 25% zinc oxide sunscreen gel. This sunscreen is ideal for all age groups and all skin types, and this has an SPF of 50 plus, which is a great thing. It has no harmful chemicals in it. It is dermatologically tested. It is water resistant and SLS and paraben free. And this has a very non-opaque, ultra light and very velvety feel to it. So when I tried this sunscreen for the first time, I absolutely loved the feeling of it. When you initially apply this on the skin, this one absorbs into the skin beautifully. It does leave a bit of white cast in the beginning, so when you're just applying it, you might see a little bit of white cast, but once you make it absorb into your skin and moisturize it in, you will see no white cast. And I have to agree with the claim of velvety feel. Like I feel my skin feels extremely soft, like it just feels like a canvas. Like the way when you apply a primer, your skin feels like baby soft and like completely even, no texture. That is the feeling that I get from this sunscreen, which is amazing. Using a sunscreen is very, very important, and we generally skip our sunscreen, which is absolutely wrong. So this is a sunscreen which I have been using on a daily basis. And also, if you are using active ingredients on your skin, a sunscreen is a must for you. Another great thing about this sunscreen is that this sunscreen can actually be used as a primer. So before you are going to apply your makeup, you can use this sunscreen as a base for your makeup, because this one gives that velvety feel, and your foundation or anything will glide on super smoothly on your skin when you have applied the sunscreen. And the last and the final step in my skincare routine is this one. This is a lip balm, and this is the lip moisturizer. So this one rehydrates, heals and repairs your lips. So this one basically helps to remove any kind of dry and chapped lips. It gives you a smooth, supple and crack free lips. It doesn't have any kind of waxy feel. It is fragrance free, color free, paraben free and preservative free. Now this is how the lip balm looks like. It comes in a very beautiful packaging. Just reminds me of my childhood. I really like this lip balm because this is extremely lightweight and very, very moisturizing on the lips. Now this doesn't have any kind of artificial fragrance in it, but it has kind of a natural fragrance to it, a very warm kind of fragrance, which actually feels very good. So it might be the oil that has been used in this, or the shea butter that has been used, but this one is amazing. Like this is a really, really good lip balm, and I really loved using it. I have seen immense difference, and the best part is that it has SPF in it, because we generally do apply SPF on our skin, but we forget about our lips. If you are someone who has dark lips or something, this one will also help you out. So yeah, SPF in a lip balm is very important, and this one has been working amazing for me. So that was my skincare routine using all of the products from the EMM box, and I absolutely loved each and every product, especially the sunscreen and the lip balm. They were amazing. They were something very new to me, and I haven't seen a product so good like that before. You should definitely give that a try. I will be putting all of the links and the information about each and every product in the description box below. Do check that out if you want to go ahead and purchase this one. And that was all for this particular video. If you did like the video, then definitely give this one a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is completely free and it means a lot to me when you hit the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I am super active there and I post daily content on my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.